Hello, Dr. Noob here again. So, when I was on vacation, I saw that my subscribers went up to 300. So, now that I'm back, I wanted to thank everybody with this video and give a little present for everybody. There will be a new tutorial coming up the 8th of May. And I would like to give you the possibility to choose which one will be the next after that. So the first thing you can vote for is Fun with Platforms. This one means that we will dig a little bit deeper into the platforms, have some destructible platforms, maybe a poisoned floor or something like that. The second option would be the enemy AI, which has been also asked by some people in the comments. So I can create an enemy and show you how it works with the AI decision and actions. The third option would be manage the chaos of your project, which means in the hierarchy and in the project itself, it can get confusing if you have too much objects and tile maps and arts and animations. I don't know what. So I have some good tips there for you, maybe some tools that could help to overwhelm all that chaos. And the fourth option has also been asked, and this is Google Ads. So if you want to have a mobile game and get some money for it, I can show you a small demo how to do that. Yes, the first person who can comment on that, he will receive 5 votes. And yes, that's it. Thank you very much, everybody, for so much subscribers. I'm really happy for the cool feedback from everybody. Thank you very much and see you around. Cheers.